Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Jason in Florida on a Stryker SR-447HPC2. Don't let the size fool you. This thing is packed full of power. Let's get right to it. It's got our tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and electrolytic cap upgrades. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Got you set at a conservative 2 watts in case you decide to run like a 4-pill or something with it. Roll it all the way up, 15. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 40 bird average, 100 watt slug PEP, a low 1, 2, a lower, and about 98 PEP. Roll it down. So let's say you're at a 2 watt carrier, you're going to drive your 4-pill, hello, still 98 watts PEP. Alright, Jason, it's ready to go for you, bud. If you're going to run it barefooted, I suggest running it, somewhere close to wide open. If you're going to run amp, start low and go from there. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.